Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use multi-row card visualization in Power BI. This visualization is incredibly useful when you want to display multiple data fields in a compact, easy-to-read card format that organizes information by rows rather than columns. First things first, open your Power BI desktop application. Once you have it running, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice a panel labeled Visualizations. This is your hub for all the different chart types and visual elements available in Power BI, and it's where we'll be working for most of this tutorial. Within the Visualizations panel, take a moment to browse through the options until you find and click on the multi-row card visual. It's usually represented by an icon that shows stacked rows of information. Clicking this will insert the visualization onto your canvas, though it'll start out blank until we add data to it. Now that the multi-row card is on your canvas, you'll want to resize it to suit your layout preferences. Simply click and drag the corners or edges to make it larger or smaller and move it to a position that works best for your report design. This flexibility ensures that your visualization fits seamlessly with the rest of your dashboard elements. Next, take a look back at the Visualizations panel. You'll notice a section labeled Fields right below the visual options. This is where you'll drag the data you want to display. The Fields section is essentially the control center for what information appears in your multi-row card. For example, let's start by dragging the country data into the Fields area. Simply locate your country field from your data model on the right, click on it, and drag it into the Fields section of the multi-row card. This will populate your card with country names. Now drag the sales field into the same area. Once you do this, you'll immediately see the result. The multi-row card will display the data organized by rows, showing each country alongside its corresponding sales figures. This side-by-side arrangement makes it easy to scan through multiple data points at a glance. You can also add more fields to enrich your visualization. For example, drag the profit field and then the gross sales field to the fields section as well. Each additional field you add will appear as a new row within each card entry, giving you a comprehensive view of multiple metrics all in one place. And that's it. You've successfully created a multi-row card visualization that displays your data in a clean, organized format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.